Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite to an Android device. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, select Open. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can select Not Now if you want to, then close it by choosing OK. Finally, you can click on Send at the bottom on the left of your Samsung and receive next to it at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Samsung tablet. On it, you can finally select all of those categories at the top. And in those categories, tap on those type of dots to select multiple files. You can also just click on the chosen one. When you finished, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in here some tip pop-up. Finally, you can pick one of those connection ways. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on this scanning icon on an Android next to Input key. Then choose while using or only this time to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at this code. In order to input this key, tap on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers from Samsung in correct order. And click on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!